Musa Khawula is back. Uthi he has been back from Sun City since May. Akazuthi ngikhuluma ngani. I also made a video about a week ago where I said, but he is hungry in jail. He doesn't eat. It was almost like on a hunger strike. Uthi ngikhuluma ngani. Back in my channel, it was sold against my will. YouTube and Twitter. So I'm back. Angazi ukuthi ngifunani. Into engabe nayenza is to donate for me. Yabo ubuyile shem. He's back. I told you ukuthi manifuna indaba zami. But he's like me. Mina always say ukuthi ungabona hamba ulalela abantu ongabazi ngoba mina not a lot of people know me. So ngifuna ukuthi uzizwe from me itori and nginokuyikhuluma there on news galo for days indaba zami. Ungahamba uzwe ngabantu or on my personal channel. Pamela Make Wealth and Lifestyle. Because abantu they like making up stories about people and my thing, don't say stuff about people without their consent. So it's like that, guys. It's just like meeting, busy spreading rumors about me. But you know, he will stop at nothing. Go kulma go Sorisha or kulma go Michal. Ata Sorisha telling you ring if it's Vivian ready. From Vivian ready after hey uzosuwa Vivian ready. Lo again. Ninaswa abantu nje who actually have like real man. Agezwa. Buka ke manje usukela no Vivian ready aziwa nje ukuthi umbuze nginonkulu. Nonku was just like khona sizosuyiwa futhi no mina ngigrand sis. I don't want anyone suing me. So uqalile ke manje uthi iring la itholile futhi Sorisha from Vivian ready. Uthola amanye amaringi again after she's been busy with Vivian ready since Vivian ready was married. Guys, Sorisha has said this thing so many times. She does have a relationship with Nkosikazi Vivian ready endala engango Vivian ready, and azange they were not married at the time she found Vivian ready. She's explained that so many times on Real Housewives of Durban. I don't even understand. Yabona Musa Khawula bo Vivian ready mangezwale. Yo Musa guys, bazobe legend like very quickly. He's back again now talking crap about people's lives. Is serious? Labantu bazovela bakubopisa. Akadlali phela uVivian ready. Wayitshela yonke Real Housewives of Durban not mina ngizwe ngibopisa. Hamba nikhuluma ngowami umfazi. Hamba nokhuluma indaba zeni. And uwayisho le Sorisha ukuthi no guys please. Base behlukene kudala uVivian ready nonkosikazi wakhe. What's crazy though? We have such a beautiful relationship. Mina no ex wife Vivian. Nino noqhamuka. You just in that's why ngiyengisi sometimes ebo sokhuluma kodwa guys amanye ama dynamics asiwa and thina we like thinking we know and we don't. Yeah, so he's back here. I was just like Nkosam and mangithi ngacheck YouTube channel khona YouTube channel to Musa Khawula but ayina subscribers ayina next, maybe it could be him or someone else. I was just like whatever is going on sengathi angaba right uMusa aqale phansi life. I'm even thinking because he's a radiographer he can just go back to work. He can find work, guys. That's just my thing. That's why in life you have to have something to fall back on. Go by, hey, about this life is crazy. You can have do one thing. Go 2025. Fun look at 2025 for number 7 income streams. Hey, for in Zimali life. What's it? How is it different from Umihlali Ndamas? I know Umihlali Ndamas and I walk to business umuntu. So yabona guys uvele kube kuningi. Maguma socials khona bazokudonsa to filth and is back doing just that. Musa Khawula guys doesn't learn. You know Mihlali wake wamshaya in some nightclub dragging him with those 5 dreadlocks of his. But Shimi doesn't learn. Usakhuluma ngoMihlali namanje and uzomshaya futhi. Umuhlali nesandla. Usanda ukuthela somebody ngeglass yewayini waphindwa wamshaya in some champagne in some men cabanga azakasabi in some nightclub. I'm just like sisters. And there was another story this week where the cousin keeps on saying you must fear Mihlali every time she posts about her on Instagram. She'll be like you must fear her. Hi guys, is there anything like that? Hi guys, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Ngithanda over.